Hello guys, we have another play. So as you can see on the illustration, on the transition, the point guard decides to dribble push the ball side wing, and then 2 and 5 set a diagonal staggered or a double screen for 4 from the ball side wing. There you go. And 1 and 4 have a 2-man game. And as you can see, if that 2-man game will not materialize, 2 and 5 set a double stagger for the weak side player number 3. So player number 3 will cut straight and then pass through the double stagger screen from 2 and 5. And now ball will go from 1 to 3 if nothing materialize. Alright, and then player 5 flashes high to the free throw from the screen of player number 2, and then 1 and 4 prepare for a screen on player 2. Now, player 2 uses the screens from 1 and 4, and player number 3, after passing the ball to player number 5, cuts to the weak side, and after that, 2 passes, cuts to the corner. Alright, and then 5 passes to player number 3 and sets an on-ball screen for the pick and roll. 2 will fill on the top. If ball is reversed, 2 set a play. So if not, of course, a 2-man game between 3 and 5. So there you go. Let's look at the play one more time. There. Alright. Pass to 5. 2-man game between 5 and 3. That's it guys. Hope you like the play. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and share. Thank you.